Morena tamaraki mai, how are you guys today? So today I thought I would do our Karakia for Kai, because I know a lot of our whānau have been asking for the words, and yeah, I just thought this would be a helpful way for you guys to learn it with your whānau. Okay, so our first phrases that we use is koeri te koutou. Are you guys ready? Okay, so koeri te koutou, and then if you're ready, you say I. Okay, whakapiri o koutou ringa. Put your hands together. Okay, so our first karakia, we'll go with the first one that we've learnt. Okay, are you guys ready? You got ready to sing it with me? Yeah? Me inoi tātou. Let's pray. Whakawhetai mō ngā kai, whakawhetai mō ngā kai, whakawhetai mō ngā kai, inai ane amene tura. Thank you, e kai. And then our next one that we've joined onto it as well. This is our newest karakia that we've learnt for our tamariki. Some of them are still learning it, but hopefully with the help of you guys at home, you'll be pros by the time you guys come back to play, learn, grow. Okay, this one. Kua hora hea te kai, ngā atua I homai. Tāne mahuta, haumia tiki tiki, rungoma tāne, tangaroa, kia ora. Awesome. So this one we actually do, so we sing the first line first. So I'll sing the first line and then the tamariki and the other teachers will follow in the second bit. Okay, so we'll do it again. You guys ready? Yeah? Kua horo hea te kai. Your turn. Ka pai. Nā ngā atua I homai. Tāne mahuta. Haumia tiki tiki. Rungoma tāne. Tangaroa. Kia ora. Ka pai koutou. Well done. So you guys can say that at your breakfast time, your snacks time, lunch, dinner. And yeah, it's just saying thank you for our kai, blessing it before we eat. And yeah, awesome. Kia pātou koutou rā. Have a good day, guys.